Hey, in this video I'm going to show how to remove an already installed pocket door and how to replace it with a new door. For my purposes, the first thing I will do is remove the casing around the outside of the door. This part is not necessary to remove the door, however. Now getting into the actual door removal, to remove the door you will have to remove these two pieces of trim on the top and side on both sides of the door. Pry against a putty knife to gently remove them. You will probably want to reinstall these later, so try to be careful. Once you remove the first two, remove the same trim on the other side of the door, as you can see here. Once all four of those trim pieces are removed, if you look up the door frame, it will look like this. Your door will roll on a one-sided track. On the side opposite the track opening, remove the trim piece against the wall. It's probably screwed down, so unscrew it and then carefully pry it off. Once the trim is all removed, close the door and lift the door outward away from the open side of the track from the bottom. This may take a little bit of wiggling and adjusting to get it to let loose. Next, remove the original rollers and attach them in the exact same location on the replacement door. Your new pocket door will need a latch the same style as the old door. Measure the old door and mark out the same location on the new door. Using a jigsaw, cut the opening for the latch. I like to clean up the edges with a little bit of sandpaper. Once that's done, push the latch in until it slides flush. Make sure it can sit flush with the front of the door. Next, screw down the latch into the door. Now the new slab door is ready to go back in as your new pocket door. Install it the same way the original door came out. Sometimes, as you can see here, it may take a few adjustments and attempts to get all the rollers to sit properly in the track. After a few attempts, once the door is finally in its spot and it's back in, reattach any and all the trim you removed. Here I'm using an 18 gauge brad nailer, which is ideal, but if you don't have one, glue will also work in a pinch to reattach the trim. And that's it, it's all done. For my door, I'll paint the frame and add new casings to complete the look. Thank you for watching. Please leave any questions in the comments section.